So I need to create my report in this particular spreadsheet, and this report or dashboard should contain total revenue, total quantity, revenue by brands, all of these things here. But the issue now is my data is on another spreadsheet. So what can I do to achieve something like this? I'll be using a combination of query function and import range function. So let's go to this place. So the first thing is I want to get my total revenue. So let's do import range first to bring in the data. So I have to put in my URL, and then the next thing is the data range, which is actually A to I. The data is in the first worksheet, so there is no need to there's no need to state the spreadsheet name. So enter, and then this is the old data from the other spreadsheet. Okay, so I need the total of the revenue column, which is actually 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9, which is the ninth column. I'll also be working with the quantity column, which is the okay, so this is the ninth column. And so I need the total of the revenue column, which is the ninth column. So the next thing is to wrap this around query function. Next thing is to wrap this around query function. And then this is my data. Then for the query, that will be select column 9, then close double quotation, close the bracket, and then that will give me just the revenue column. Now I'm not done, and I have to say sum of column 9 because that's what I actually want for my total revenue. And then I've gotten my total revenue. So the next thing is I need my total quantity. I don't want to write the formula again from the so I'll just copy and then modify it. So I know that my quantity is column 7, so I'll just change this to 7, and then this is my total quantity. So now I need to get total revenue by brand. I'll still pay this. So I want to group by column 4 and then slice it by brand. The first thing is I have to also select the brand column. So that means I have select column 4, and then followed by, then I also have group by column 4. So now, okay, what is wrong? I skipped the by, so group by column 4. So it's good to sort these it's good to sort these results by sum of our revenue. So I'm just going to add order by column to the end, order by keyword to the end of this, order by sum of column 4, and then in descending order. So, and then I need to add the descending keyword to make it be ordered in descending order. And then this is total revenue by brand, total revenue by distributor. The distributor column is column 3. So I just need to modify this formula also to get what I want by just changing column 4 to column 3. Everywhere I have column 4, I change it to 3, 3. And now this is total revenue by distributor. Now revenue by year. That's the last thing we need to do. So I'm just going to paste what I have before, and then my date is in column 1. So select column 1, but I don't exactly need my date. I need the year. So I have to wrap that around the year function. And then I have to modify every other thing as necessary. Also, this place should be group by year, column 1. And then now I don't want to order by revenue again. I want to order by year. So order by year, column 1 also. I don't want it to be descending. This case I want ascending. And then now I have my revenue by year. So the next thing is to create my chart, which is not difficult. So I'll just go ahead to create the chart and edit the chart. Highlight the old data, insert chart. I don't want my chart. I want this, and then this is my chart. I'm going to rename the title to what I want, revenue by brands. I'll then go ahead to create the chart for the other tables also. So now I have my chart that is based on all these tables that are derived from our import range and then query function. I just need to arrange them into the dashboard tab. So now I'm done arranging the chart and then I did some editing. For the total revenue, it's just a reference to the total revenue cell here. Same thing with the total quantity. So even though we don't have the data in this same spreadsheet, we were able to build a report based on the data in another spreadsheet. Now, another beautiful thing about this is as this data here keeps growing, these reports will also be updated automatically. There's no need to click on any refresh button like what we have in like pivot tables. So that's the end of this video. Thank you.